24-inch wheels, wide body, V12, 831 horsepower Ferrari Purosangue. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where in the world of luxury cars, well, enriched with a new project is by Pogea Racing, which recently unveiled its new tuning package designed specifically for the Ferrari Purosangue FUV, SUV, whatever you like to call it. Now, the project promises to further raise the prestige of Maranello's first SUV thanks to a series of both aesthetic and mechanical updates. Now, the strong point of this package is an increase in power of the naturally aspirated V12 engine, which goes from 725 horsepower to 831 horses, guaranteeing high-level performance. Now, focusing on the external aesthetics, the Purosangue is enriched with a redesigned front bumper with additional air intakes and extended wheel arches, enriched by side gills and fins on the side skirts. Now, the rear stands out for the 4 exhaust pipes located in the center, accompanied by a larger diffuser as well as carbon fiber roof spoiler. Now, as for the interior, Pogea Racing has planned a range of improvements, although they have not yet been revealed in detail. Now, the terms of the rims, well, you have a set of forged aluminum by Jules with a strong 10-spoke design. They offer options up to 24 inches at the rear and are paired with Michelin tires. Now, in addition, thanks to the collaboration with KW Suspensions, the Ferrari Purosangue now offers a lower stance, acquiring a more aggressive appearance typical of supercars. Now, all is supported by an 8-speed automatic transmission that distributes power to all 4 wheels. Now, despite the exclusivity and long waiting times, the builder has not revealed yet the prices of these modifications, but is currently working on obtaining approval for production. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Pogea Racing, the German tuning shop specializes in modifying Alfa Romeo and Abarth models, but they also occasionally work on Ferrari models. Now, this isn't some vaporware brand, since it's been in business for a quarter of a century. And while we only see this in digital form, well, it's going to be one of those things that if you can pony up the cash, it might be worth every dollar amount. But with that said, do you think this is subtle modifications for the already extravagant Ferrari Purosangue SUV? Does it make the car better, or does it ruin it? Does the Purosangue need any kind of tuning at all, or is that Porsche just right? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. Check out the Ron's Rides merch and subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.